What's up, everybody? This is Brandon Cobb with HPG Construction, the house buying guys. We're on day 2. We're about halfway through. We have been banging this project out. They finished the gable. They tore off the roof and did a completely new roof in about 4 hours. I'll come show you all the project real quick. They ripped off the whole foundation. It's Memorial Day. Unfortunately, all the concrete companies were shut down, so we could not get concrete out here to actually pour the footer and then start stacking our CMU blocks tomorrow. So we've got 2 more days to do that on the Gantt chart scheduled. Hopefully it doesn't push us back, we'll see. But we've got everything else set up. Everything's tore off. Got the deck around back. They built up as well. Oh, let's take you guys on the inside real quick. Oh, all right, here we go. Here's the inside. They're still working on the demo. Take y'all into the master over here. So they got this ripped off. They're about to start reframing, putting this over so the water heater is going to sit in the laundry room on the other side over there. Completely got the bathroom, the master tore out. Already got the tub set. Look at that. Woo woo. Making some progress. Let's go see how they're doing on the other side. Cabinet guy's gonna be here in the afternoon to start banging that out. Let's see what else we got. Got our main man Brian over here on the electric.
Hey, what up?
And then it looks like this bathroom right here has been completely gutted as well. So, guys are doing some amazing work over here. Halfway through day 2. Stay tuned to see if we can finish this $51,000 renovation in